Previously, we have done World 1-3. We're going to do World 1-4. In this scenario, it's going to be identify equivalently near expressions, but with word problems. Here we go! Before we get into our first question, let's check out the example. For a class project, Cooper made a squared-shaped model of a park near his house. Each side of his model is x inches long. Pick all the expressions that represent the perimeter of Cooper's model. So then the perimeter means like 4 times the sides. Like x plus x plus x plus x, or just 4x in this scenario. Like this. Now let's go to the Now let's go to the real problem. Pamela and her family went apple picking at an orchard. She filled one large basket with 8 green apples to make a pie. She also filled 3 small baskets with G green apples, each to give to her friends as presents. Pick all the expressions that represent how many apples Pamela picked in all. So what we can prove here is that, let's just say green apples. Let's just say there's 8 apples, and then we have 3G. So I'm going to say that it's these two. It's stupid, but bear with me, because 3 small baskets and G green apples to give to her friends as presents. 1 large basket with 8 green apples, so 8 plus 3G, or just 8 plus G plus G plus G. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's go. Oops, sorry. Let's go. Yeehaw! Well, I know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 2. Au revoir! Okay, we're on our second part, which means it's our intro. Let's get to it. Last night, Logan completed all 5 levels of his favorite video game, Extreme Treasure Hunter. In the game, you can earn points by collecting gemstones or finding pieces of the treasure map. Logan collected 10 gemstones in each level, earning X points per gemstone. He also earned 30 points in each level by finding pieces of the treasure map. Pick all the expressions that represents Logan's score at the end of the game. So I did LSCG, that means Logan's score by collecting gemstones, which is equal to 5 times 10 times X. So in this scenario, it's just 50X. Now moving on to the treasure map. Logan's score for finding the treasure map pieces is going to be equal to 5 times 30 equals to 150. Now to find the total score, all you have to do is just combine them. It's just 50x plus 150. But that's not smart. It said pick all the expressions that are true. So while this may be true, so if you want to maximize the opportunity for getting this right, there's this thing called the distribution property. Then just do rudimentary algebra. You gotta do it like this. So I'm going to say in this scenario, it's going to be 5 parentheses, 10x plus 30 and 150 plus 50x. Or just 50x plus 150. Your choice. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 3. Hasta luego. Okay, we're on our third part, so let's get to it. Diego's parents hired a clown and a magician to perform at his little sister's birthday party this year. Ever heard of Tinali Amen? A clown employed to entertain a king. Okay, let's not get sidetracked. Moving on. The clown cost $100 plus an additional $20 per hour. And the magician cost $120 plus an additional $30 per hour. Both performers stayed at the party for 8 hours. Pick all the expressions that represent how much Diego's parents spent on the performers. So we know for a fact it's not this one. so let's go through this. I'm going to say that it's definitely this one because $20 per hour, that means 20H, and then $100 and then plus. So it's this one. But that's not smart. It says pick all the expressions. So if you want to maximize the opportunity for getting this right, by doing rudimentary algebra, you've got to do it like this. So while this one is correct, this one is not. So I'm going to say that is 220 plus 5, plus 50H. Okay, 220 plus 50H. And parentheses 100 plus 20H plus 120 plus 30H in those parentheses. So this one and that one. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. Amazing, I've mastered your skill and earned a gold medal. Win more prizes, keep practicing. And yes, I had some trials and errors because they said pick all the expressions which were like in different properties of math, like addition, division, like all those. Okay, enough chit chat. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on the next video. Au revoir.